very important updates for PT test takers. PT test has changed. PT test format has totally changed, and in today's video I want to make you understand what has changed and how it's going to impact you. Guys, the PT Academic test has become shorter, and in today's video we're going to also understand which questions we are going to have in the exams now, which questions we're not going to have, and the test duration for every single module, because that has also changed. So let's get started, guys. Detailed explanation I'll give you, and we'll do the detailed analysis, so all your queries are sorted. If still you have any queries, let me know in the comment section so that I can make video for all of your queries. So guys, let's get started. First of all, guys, now PT Academic is going to be shorter. It's going to be just 2-hour test, and in even the UKVI test, that is also going to be a 2-hour test. Guys, one more thing, very soon PTE is launching PT Academic Online. Like Duolingo, you can take this test online sitting at your home. You do not, if you don't want to visit the test center, you can do this test online. But very important, PT Academic Online is not going to be taken by all the visa purposes. So you need to make sure you check your institution is taking PT Academic online or not. But for visa, you will need to take PT Academic, and for that you have to visit the test center. So बहुत सारे changes है. First of all, test duration has changed, score reports has changed, and preparation resources have been also changed. Also, guys, what is not changing is the type of question. Means, like in speaking, we used to have five types of task, writing 2, reading 5, and listening also we used to have 8 types of tasks. That is still the same. Also, guys, one more thing, let's go ahead. The changes are based on research, and it's not going to have any negative impact on you, but you need to prepare accordingly, because you should know that these are the changes and you prepare it accordingly. Also, guys, the changes are going to be implemented from November 16, so make sure you prepare wisely. He's coming with the very important change. Overall testing time from November 16th will be just 2 hours. The listening optional break has been removed, and now the test is shorter, so there is no need of break according to PT Academic. Also, guys, earlier the speaking and writing was of 77 to 93 minutes, but now it's very short, 54 to 67 minutes. Reading was of 32 to 41 minutes, now it's very short, 29 to 30 minutes. Listening was of 45 to 57 minutes, now it's very short, 30 to 43 minutes. So a lot of questions have been changed. Let's see. Please read aloud. Earlier you used to get 6 to 7 questions. Now also you will be getting 6 to 7. Repeats and tenses you will be getting 10. You used to get 10 to 12. Now also same 10 to 12. But describe image has been decreased by almost half. Earlier 6 to 7 questions we used to get, but now only 3 to 4. Retail lecture we used to get 3, but now only 1 to 2. Answer short questions you used to get 10 to 12, but now only half, 5 to 6 questions. Summarized written text has also been decreased. Earlier 2 to 3, now just 1 to 2. And essays again 1 to 2. So total number of questions were earlier 39 to 48, but right now only, guys, only 28 to 36. Now right now only you'll be getting 28 to 36. You can see the huge number of decrease, and that's where the time has decreased a lot. Now let's go to the next module, writing. Reading module. In the reading module, there are not major changes. Earlier you used to get 15 to 20 questions, now 13 to 18. Reading, writing, Phillips is same. Reordering is same. Reading, Phillips is changed. Only 2 tasks have decreased: multiple choice, multiple answers, and multiple choice, single answer. 1 to 2 you will get multiple choice questions. 1 to 2 you will get multiple choice, single answer. And this is good, because most of the people don't prepare multiple choice singles a lot. So this will now decrease your load. आपका वर्क स्ट्रेस जो है, आपका प्रिपरेशन का जो स्ट्रेस है वो कम हो गया, क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इनके कम हो गए. एंड आई फील पर्सनली केस फॉर स्पीकिंग आल्सो आंसर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज्यादा रटने पड़ते थे, क्रैम करने पड़ते थे. नाउ दैट हैज डिक्रीज्ड जस्ट टू 5 to 6. दिस इज अ गुड वन. रिटेल लेक्चर आल्सो most of the people find it difficult, that was also decreased, and this is a good one. Summarized written text also 1 to 2 it is. Talking for the listening module, guys, listening module time has decreased. Earlier you used to get 15 to 22 questions, and now just 12 to 22. Lot of decrease in the questions. Now, guys, talking about the listening tasks, lots of changes. First of all, summarize spoken text. Earlier, you used to get 2 to 3. Now, only 1 to 2 questions. Multiple choice, multiple answer. Also, 1 to 2 you will be getting. Fill in the blanks is same. So I'm putting it as star mark. Highlight and correct word is same. Right from dictation is also same. Highlight correct summary was very time taking and unimportant task. It has decreased 1 to 2. Single answer has also decreased 1 to 2, which is good. This is also good. Select missing word also, people used to find it tricky and they used to find it really time consuming. 1 to 2, so this is good. This is also good that it has decreased. This is also good, and this is also good. Summarize spoken text also. Now you do not need to write a lot. Fine, because some people were like they used to get tired doing three summaries and now it's short. So overall this is a good impact, guys. The testing hours has decreased, number of questions also has decreased, and if you prepare wisely, this is going to bring a very positive update. But one more update, guys, score reports are going to totally change. See, earlier you used to get enabling skills. Now see the new reports, no enabling skills will be there. Only you will be seeing skills breakdown, that is module wise score, overall band score, your basic candidate information, test information. So earlier reports, the exams you will be taking before November 16 will have report cards. Like earlier will have enabling skills, but after November 16 complete scorecard will change, and an additional report will be given to test takers with new language categories to help them for their future study. So you will get an additional report also along with it. Coming to the guys academic preparations, you can continue to prepare in the same way. This is one of the best things. So preparation में कोई major बदलाव लाने नहीं है आपको. And guys, online scored practice tests. So many people will ask me ki full 2 hour simulation, how they can do the complete mock test, because of course the latest number of questions has changed. So this will be also available. If you want me to prepare the mock test according to the new test format, let me know. I'll prepare that also for you and upload it on the YouTube channel. So guys, major changes have taken place, and PTE Academic Online, as I mentioned, is available. This is like something you can do at home. And but one more thing, guys, PTE Academic Online is not accepted by governments for visa application. So अगर आप visa सोच रहे हैं कि आप इससे लगाएंगे तो वो government accept नहीं करती है. ऑल्सो ये पीटी एकेडमिक एग्जाम का ही बिल्कुल आइडेंटिकल है, उससे काफी हद तक सेम है बिल्कुल. और ये भी टेस्टिंग ऑल्सो गाइस, वन मोर गुड अपडेट फ्रॉम पीटी एकेडमिक. नाउ द टेस्टिंग विल बी अवेलेबल इन मोस्ट ऑफ द लोकेशंस. दे हैव एक्सपेंडेड द टेस्ट सेंटर्स. अर्लियर वी हैड वेरी लेस टेस्ट सेंटर्स, बट नाउ देयर विल बी मोर test centers. Still, if you're confused you should take PT or not, I will suggest you that you look at the advantages. First of all, guys, this test is online, and secondly, the test format, if you understand, it's going to you can pass PT in first attempt a lot, guys. Lots of people are passing. ऑल्सो गाइज एक चीज मैं आपको और बता दूं कि पीटी एकेडमिक ऑनलाइन के बारे में आपको ये भी चेक करना होगा कि आपका इंस्टीट्यूशन उसे जो है कंसिडर करता है या नहीं करता. Test content is same, difficulty level is same. That has not changed. So don't think that now PT is becoming easy. So test content and difficulty level is just same. Also, this PT Academic Online is just same to PT Academic. This is 2 hours code in the same way, and online format is same. ओके, सो ये थे आज के लेटेस्ट अपडेट जो मैंने आप तक शेयर करे हैं. अगर आप पीटी एकेडमिक ऑनलाइन को करना चाहते हैं तो आपके पास एक क्वाइट लोकेशन पे आपको करना होगा, कंप्यूटर वेब कैमरे के साथ हेडसेट, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन और ऑन व्यू सॉफ्टवेयर है ये, इसको भी आपको करना होगा. So guys, in most cases test center version of PT Academic will be most appropriate because it is mostly recognized. And बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे पूछेंगे कि पीटी एकेडमी की वैलिडिटी तो नहीं चेंज हो रही है या फिर रिकॉग्निशन दोनों ही चेंज नहीं हो रही है, वो सेम की सेम ही है. अगर पीटी एकेडमिक ऑनलाइन आप करना चाहते हैं तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा आपका इंस्टीट्यूशन रिकॉग्नाइज करता है, आपके पास इक्विपमेंट, आपके पास एनवायरमेंट है. शोर में मत करना, पेपर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ऑल्सो गाइज टेस्ट के बाद आपको कंफर्मेशन आती है आपके माई पीटी के अकाउंट में टेस्ट बुक ऑफ किया हुआ ऐसा दिखता भी है. लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर लाइक आदित्य बुक्ड एग्जाम, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग कंफर्मेशन. दिस if you are not able to book exam at low rate, we book exam at low rate, so you can buy vouchers from us. We provide vouchers, we provide online training for PT one-to-one and group. Some people are working in shifts, they do want to clear the PT or IELTS or NATI or self-up in very less time, so we have online classes available. You can join us and do the classes according to your availability. We can cover the course in less period of time also. So this was all about today's important update. I hope you're clear. अभी भी कोई doubts अगर आपके रह गए हैं, so all you need to do is you need to comment in the comment section so that I can clear your doubts and prepare another video. अगर आप मुझसे पूछेंगे कि ओके ये changes अच्छे हैं, नहीं है या बुरे हैं, कैसे हैं, तो काफी हद तक अच्छे changes है. बहुत लंबा टेस्ट होता था पहले, टेस्ट टेकर्स बहुत ज्यादा थक जाते थे क्योंकि आईएलटीएस का टेस्ट तो 2 पार्ट्स में होता है, तो वो इतना थकाता नहीं है. पर पीटी के टेस्ट में लोग बहुत ज्यादा थक जाते थे, बैक टू बैक होता था और नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अनइम्पोर्टेंट वाले बहुत कम हो गए. बहुत अच्छी बात है क्योंकि उनका मेजर इम्पैक्ट भी नहीं पड़ता था स्कोर पर, उनके लिए बकायदा अलग से पढ़ना पड़ता था. बहुत लंबा टेस्ट फॉर्मेट 20 क्वेश्चन टाइप्स थी. तो कुल मिला के अच्छे अपडेट्स हैं. छोटा टेस्ट हो गया, आप फोकस्ड हो सकते हो. अनइम्पोर्टेंट टास्क इतने कम हो सकते हैं, उन पे आप कम फोकस भी करोगे तो भी अब चलेगा. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड अपडेट, इट्स अ पॉजिटिव अपडेट. बट अगेन मैं बताऊं कि डिफिकल्टी लेवल बिल्कुल चेंज नहीं हुआ है. अभी भी स्टूडेंट्स फेल होंगे जो प्रिपेयर नहीं करेंगे, अभी भी स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में पास करेंगे जो अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करेंगे. तो डिफिकल्टी लेवल चेंज नहीं हुआ है. एंड एग्जाम कैसा भी हो, अगर आपकी प्रिपरेशन अच्छी है तो ऑफ कोर्स प्रिपरेशन कम्स फर्स्ट, आप एग्जाम को पास कर सकते हैं. सो डोंट ओनली रिलाई ऑन प्रेडिक्शंस, डोंट ओनली रिलाई ऑन आई मीन just doing the some few questions and sitting for exam.